So you're from Jamaica, yes? Wow, we love your accent. Some Jamaicans go abroad and go to different countries and they make it bad for everybody, but majority of Jamaicans, when people interact with them, it's all joy, man, it's all love. Majority of the Jamaicans that are abroad, people love them, man. Every ethnic group love to interact with a Jamaican. But you have someone to be the bad man type and the gangster type. That doesn't cut it, man. You come to America, keep your gangster and your bad manism. Leave it in Jamaica. Don't bring it to America. They don't want to do that. Yeah, they don't want to see that. They don't want to hear that. They want the vibes, the irie vibes of Jamaica. And I mean, how are you doing, bro? Respect, man, respect. Good morning, guys. So it's Friday. Day 4 in the hospital. Breakfast time. Thought I was gonna get discharged today, but apparently not. I'm gonna be here for one more night. Yeah, but I'm getting there, guys. And they don't want me to get up and start walking as yet. I was supposed to be doing some exercise, but they say my heart rate is too high. So I can go from the bed to the recliner to the bathroom, but that's as much as they want me to do. Yeah. But I'm having breakfast. Scrambled egg, French toast, bacon, some orange juice, and some fruit, some tea with lime and honey. Yeah. Yeah. So they took me off the oxygen. As you see, my oxygen level is up, so that is good. Still on the monitor, they're monitoring my heart rate and some other stuff. Still have a little coughing, mucus coming up from the lungs. Yeah. But much better than when I came in on Tuesday night, guys. Yeah, thanks for the prayers, guys. Thanks for the well wishes. Thanks for all of you that have been praying for me, praying for my family. I really appreciate it. From the depth of my heart, word can express how grateful I am for that. Yeah. Because we all need prayer, guys. We all need prayer. And guys, good health is very important because I tell you, the way I felt when I was coming in, thought I was going home to meet my maker. Yep. So I think I will be getting more steroid shot this morning. Yeah. Yep. I don't know what else, but they have to take it off this arm yesterday. No, it was on this arm first. This one blew out. They put it on this one. This one blew out, so they put it on this side. So, yeah. It's alright. Guys, you don't know, we don't know, man, when you just, one day you're up and the next day you're down, man. You know, that's why we should take care of our health and make sure that, you know, we keep constantly doing our doctor visit to make sure everything is okay. And some people gonna say, some people out there gonna say, oh, it's the food you eat and ray. Whether the food you eat, yes or no, have nothing to do. You're still gonna go to the hospital. You're still gonna go to the hospital. You're still gonna have to get checked up. Whether you eat healthy, whether you don't eat healthy. Our bodies are susceptible to ever find any form of diseases. Eating healthy or don't eat healthy does not stop none of us from getting sick. Yes, there are certain health habits that can keep us healthy and keep us up to shape, but at the end of the day, we're still gonna get sick, guys. Still gonna get sick. So, you know, we just have to make sure that we get our regular checkup now and then. You know, don't wait until the last minute to say, okay, I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna put it off, I'm gonna kick the can down the road or ray. It's not worth it. Because I was at home and thinking that it's a regular cold and ray until it's time for me to go to work. I realize I can't breathe. I can't walk. I tried to take my son to his room and I had to put him down because I'm saying he's too heavy. Trying to justify something when I know that I'm the one that is at fault. But now I feel my strength coming back, my lungs, I can be able to inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Yeah, it's good. It's good, guys. It's really good. Everything off what, orange juice. I haven't been able to get a lot of rest. Not really sleeping because it's like every hour they come around. I have to be doing 4 nebulizer treatment. I have to be drawing blood, steroid shots, blood pressure check, oxygen check. What else? I have to take stool softener, some other rest of medication. So it's constantly round the clock monitoring. Guys, I am super happy, super grateful. They have some wonderful staff, wonderful ladies taking care of me. Yeah. All ethnic group, but I haven't booked up on a Jamaican yet. But all ethnic group of nurses and doctors. You know. Oh, you're from Jamaica, yes. Wow, we love your accent. Some Jamaicans go abroad and go to different countries and they make it bad for everybody, but majority of Jamaicans, when people interact with them, it's all joy, man, it's all love. You know, majority of the Jamaicans that are abroad, people love them, man. Every ethnic group love to interact with a Jamaican. But you have someone to be the bad man type and the gangster type. That doesn't cut it, man. You come to America, keep your gangster and your bad manism. Leave it in Jamaica. Don't bring it to America. They don't want to do that. Yeah, they don't want to see that. They don't want to hear that. They want the vibes, the higher vibes of Jamaica. And I mean, how are you doing, bro? Respect, man, respect. I'm in the hospital and people coming around happy when they come in. They are happy, I am happy. They love the way I talk, interact with them. They love the vibes, you know. I don't just sit in the bed and, you know, I'll be trying to be all obnoxious. You know, my situation doesn't cause me not to be jovial and be respectful regardless, you know. As I say, the majority lady nurse and lady doctors, when they come in and they feel the vibes, they love it. They pass by, hey man, is you alright? Sometimes I call it by name. They say, you remember my name? Of course. You're not just a person to me. I will remember your name. Because you're a human being just like me. So I show you respect. I don't care who you are. I show you respect. Yeah, I show you respect regardless of who you are. Whether I'm sick or I'm healthy, I show you respect. Yeah. Yeah, but it's good, guys. I'm getting better. No more oxygen. They took me off the oxygen. My oxygen level is at 91. They say 100 is perfect, but I'm over 90. They say that is marvelous. So I'm good with that. As I say again, guys, thanks again for your prayers. Thanks again for your well wishes. Thank you to those of you that have been praying for me, praying for my family. You know, Alex can't wait for me to come home because I promised her that I was gonna take her to a honey farm for her to get the honey straight from the honeycomb. Hopefully I can keep my promise and take him and Max to the farm so that they can taste the honey straight from the honeycomb. And then we'll see where it goes from there. Yeah. Wife was here yesterday. She couldn't bear the thought of seeing me stringing up like this. She was crying. So I tell her, if this don't give you the vibes, just we can talk on the phone. You don't have to come in. I don't feel no way if you don't come in. So we talk on the phone, FaceTime her and all that stuff. Yeah. So guys, breakfast is over. I'm gonna leave you now. I'm gonna see if I can rest up a little. I think it's gonna be a busy day today for me. We're gonna have to do some exercise. I wanted to do the exercise from when, but they don't want me to do it because, as I say, my heart rate is too high, and they have to protect themselves and in the same time protect my health also. So they're gonna observe today and see if I can do some exercise, monitoring my heart rate, my oxygen level, and all of that stuff. Even talking to you now, guys, I feel so much stronger and confident in myself to talk now. I couldn't do it a couple of days ago, so now even talking to you is exercise in my lungs. Yeah, couldn't do this the other day, guys. Yeah, beautiful. So guys, I check in back. I keep you updated, as I say. Day 4 in the hospital. I'm getting better, guys. It's not getting worse. I'm not out of the neck of the woods yet, but I'm transitioning out of it, guys. Alright? Much respect, much love to all of you guys. Big up yourself, wheresoever that you are. Praying for me. I thank you. You have yourself a blessed one. Until I check in again, I will keep you updated, guys. Much love. Enjoying my tea.